In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sub-account in GoHighLevel for an auto repair shop step by step. This is part of my full auto repair GoHighLevel build. If you want to see the entire system from start to finish, I'll link it below. All right, grab your favorite drink. It's Friday here. I got an Ollie Pop. It's crisp apple. I had to write Dad on there. Let's see if I can show it there. Just because my kids will get in the fridge and they'll drink it. All right, let's jump right into it. In GoHighLevel. So come in here, you'll create a new sub-account. Select and continue. We're just going to do a blank one. And now you can enter in the business name. We'll try to see if we can find it. So JC. All right, there we go. So it found it. So this will help us. It'll populate all the information for us. So we don't have to add all that right away. Sometimes it doesn't get the email and stuff, but this is what we wanted. Next. Today's demo, we're just going to put our own name in here. And then we need an email. Sometimes you can find the email if you go on their contact page. Let's see here. They don't have one listed. So right now we'll just make up one here. We'll just use no reply. We'll use our business name, domain, business niche, car repair, maintenance. And this information doesn't really matter that much. It's more if you actually is a real client, then you'd want a correct email, their name obviously, and then their phone number. So when they get leads, it actually follows up with them. So we'll add this stuff in here. And we're going to import sample data so you can kind of see what if people are actually in the system, what it'd look like. So if they came through the website or they're chatting with you. So we'll create sub count. And then you're going to want to go switch to that sub account here. This is if you're a SaaS provider and you're creating other accounts, but if you're just a business owner and you have one account and GoHighLevel, you can just jump right in. So it pulled in some data here. This is all demo content. So also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.